This is the HornBlasters Chrome Flatlaw 127H train horn kit. Included in this system is the extremely loud and great looking Flatlaw horn in chrome. This is a steel construction with a sleek chrome finish. In the box with the horn, you're going to get 20 feet of 1/4 inch air line and the stainless steel mounting hardware for the horn, as well as that front mounting pedestal for the horn. The horn itself already has a pre-installed electric air valve. The air in this system is supplied by our 127H air source kit that has a medium duty compressor, operates from 90 to 120 psi, and comes with a pre-installed and wired pressure switch, as well as 2 auxiliary air ports and the necessary hardware to mount the air system. To get this system installed and honking, you're gonna get our universal wiring kit that comes with all the necessary terminal connectors and fuses to get this system installed, as well as our inline fuse holder, toggle switch, push button, 40 amp relay, HornBlasters airline cutters, and 3 pieces of power wire. Each of these power wire, including the main power wire, are all 22 feet long. When you buy a system from HornBlasters, whether it's this system or another, just remember, you're gonna get everything that you need to install this complete train horn or air horn system on your vehicle right out of the box. This is the Flatlaw 127H train horn kit from HornBlasters.